Alright guys, the time has come for us to transition these batteries here, but before we do that we're gonna check the voltages. And this is the Ford Focus right here, and this is the Nissan Leaf. So I'm gonna check the voltages and see if the is really okay for pairing these batteries, I can call it, to a better or if I can transition to these batteries. So here we're gonna start with this. I don't know if I can set this one here. You guys can see it's getting hot today, so the voltage I will be reading here. Let's bounce all over. Okay, so we check the voltage for this one right now. We set one probe here. Okay, from the negative here. Let me see where it is. I can find my hand. From here. Okay, I'm gonna put it right here. The probe is gonna be right here. You can see the probe and check right from here. Let's do this. It's getting difficult. Did you see the voltage? It's reading 60 point something. 60.1. Let's check the Ford Focus here. See if I can stick this one somewhere. Alright. It's 60.4. So 0.3 millivolts different. Well, if I decide to charge them all the way to the brim or to the top, then and they're all maxed out the same, then from there I can able to pair them. Or if the 0.3 is not going to bother me, I just parallel them together. So stay tuned for that and see how we're gonna do this live here from JW Solar USA. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and share. So I'm gonna be transitioning the batteries, and this is the test. Mind you guys, a test, and from there I can see I'm not gonna sell it with this yet. Just showing you what I'm planning to do because they're all compatible. And after that it's gonna be this one here for the transition. Okay, stay tuned. Alright guys, we have the batteries all set up here. We already paired them together, or paired, and so each string over there, the Ford Focus, it says 68 amp hours, 68 amp hours, and here the Nissan Leaf is 66 and 66, 132 here, so 68, 68. You check it out. So that gives us a 268, I think. So we got a 268 total, these 4 banks here. Okay, 68 times 2 and 66 times 2 gives us 268. So 268 on 64 amp hours, 64 volt we run in here. So guys, let's check now to the mate and trying to program that. And here is the mate. We've been running all night, still sitting at 82 amp hours. So we're gonna go to this lock I don't have to put the password anymore. So we go into these and we go to battery monitor. Let me get closer. Battery monitor, and these we go to battery setup. Remember, it was a 132 we had that before, the Nissan Leaf. So we have to go 268 where I highlight it. And since it goes in tenths, so it's gonna be around, we're gonna do, I think, a 260. I don't think it's gonna give, it's not gonna give you 268. It's not gonna give us a 270. Okay, it's 268. So I don't want to add any extra. I'd rather lose 8 amps or going over. You tell me what you think. So I better stay on the 260 because I can get 268. Well, I don't want to go 270 because it's gonna, if the batteries are charging, it's gonna think that it's still hungry for 0.2 milliamp. So even a 0.2 milliamp is serious business. Okay, and Maximus, I think, yeah, Maximus was mentioned to change the factor percentage. Osmos Maximus. Okay, that's what I was gonna say. Osmos Maximus. He mentioned that, so I can change the factor, the charge factor, to 98. Well, he was thinking I was sitting at 87, which is for flooded acid battery, but I changed that yesterday. Maybe I didn't change that before shooting the video on that screen, but I changed that after the video was done. But I had it on 95. So Osmos Maximus, I'm gonna try, because for lithium recommends stay as a 98% charge factor, but I wanted to get all the batteries to be 100% charge. They were saying 100% charge is not good. They have to be probably 90% charge. Your battery lasts longer. So it's just a big controversy. Everybody out there, even on the forums, and this one is saying this and this one is saying that. So I was thinking a sweet spot for me, I probably leave it at 5% below the 100% will be good. I wish you would have like automatic, like the Magnum can do that, the efficiency. Okay, this is a charge factor, but it has efficiency, can change to automatic. Then it can change, it does it automatically. It checks your battery's efficiency. So the charge factor, he wants me to go to 98, but I was thinking about 95 is gonna be a good spot for me, and I was I might give it a shot to 95, 97, maybe 97. I'll keep it at 97. Makes everybody happy. I'm just kidding. I can do anything I want. So thanks for your opinion, brother. We're gonna be charged at 64. So guys, I don't know if I'm gonna put it at 270 because it's just 2 millivolt, and plus we're not charging 100%. It's only charged about 95%. I don't think it's gonna do any harm to the batteries. You guys tell me what you think. I can change that back later, but I'll ask this one for your opinions, because everybody has one to say. So I'll see how we can go from here. But I think I want to round it up to the 270, which is not a good deal, because that's the battery capacity. Here it's a 66 and the other ones are 68. So 66 times 2, that gives you the 132 and the 68. See that? So that gives us 134, something like that on the other ones. So I don't know. I'm just rambling now right here. So push it to the 270, call it the even, or instead of losing almost 10 amps, very close. That's a big deal. That's a big deal. So instead of staying at the 260, instead of 268, I'm losing about almost 8 amps. So 8 amps is a big deal on lithium. So let's go to 270 and just check it out. Let me know on your comment. So you push this one, is saved, and we're gonna go here and Awesomus Maximus. I'll try your deal here and see. I'll give it a shot to, you said 98. What about 97? Call it a deal. So 2% more. So we keep it that way. Okay. So guys, it's program. We're gonna get out of there. And like you guys see, shunt 1, shunt 2. Stay tuned. I have another video coming, which I'm gonna be utilizing what I'm doing right now. That's not the way I want to do it. I have a new idea. So you see, I want to put each battery bank into shunt. I'm gonna have 3 shunts here. Battery bank A, maybe it's gonna be the e-Golf. Battery bank B is gonna be the Nissan Leaf. Battery bank C is gonna be the Ford Focus. So I have 3 shunts that's gonna monitor. I can go shunt A, B, and see all the progress or status, how the batteries are doing. That's the deal I'm gonna do. I just reveal everything to you guys, and this is what I want to do. I'm putting 3 shunts. I already have 1 incorporated, and 2 is gonna just gonna order 2. I'm gonna do shunt B and C, putting 3 strings of different batteries, so they're all gonna be monitored in shunts and see how much power is drawing from each one, and goes to the same bus bar. It gives you exactly what's the battery status. I can check each of them voltage and amp hours, and that'll be a good deal. What you guys think? So these are all ideas from JW Solar USA. This is what I want to do. And since I don't have a wind turbine, I don't have hydro, and it's just solar, you know, or maybe the battery bank, the shunts. So I decided I'm gonna go this one: shunt A, shunt B, shunt C. Each battery bank is gonna be on a shunt. Okay, each string, each of these string. That's I'll call that one is a 1 string. Though it's 2 strings there, but it's 1 battery bank. Okay, it's gonna be on shunt A, shunt B, shunt C, so I can able to monitor all the batteries. Tell me what you guys think. I think this is a good idea, and that's what I want to do, to monitor all my batteries and see how healthy they're gonna be. And from there, I'm gonna call it a day. And you guys take care. Have a wonderful day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the videos. All right, so now what we're gonna do, my percentage jumped because of I added batteries. I had another string there. It went to from 81 to 91%. So now we're gonna do activate the system so that we can have a full charge to the batteries and see how everything is going. Right now the meter is gonna be off totally, and which I want the state of charge to be accurate. So guys, you ready for this? And the voltage, the parameter is all the same, and they're gonna be charging at 64. All of them, they all match, they all link the same voltage. Just this, I'm talking about these guys here, Nissan Leaf and the Ford Focus. So let's put some juice into these batteries and see how everything goes from now. Live here at the JW Solar USA. Thanks for watching. See how I didn't ramp it up? We're putting about 1400 watts to the batteries, and we are charging. I want this thing to go full charge. Okay, we're currently pushing 1500 watts. charge in the battery so that they can all get balanced. It's now, you see that it's at 91%. And if I check right here, someone mentioned about the me having these on this thing. Why can't I just cut the plastic and stick the 2 bolt nuts or screws so that I can able to see on the side? But it's gonna be really strenuous. But I have a clear shot right there because it's a glass fiber. How you call it? Fiberglass, you call it, or whatever. So I can see from that back, and I'm not worried about it too much because I can still read it here. So we're charging the batteries, guys. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye for now. Sorry for the shaky camera. Bye.